Need a roofer? Then contact our professional and friendly team to learn more about our range of custom and tailored services designed to suit your exact needs. Every one of our professionals have acquired years of experience, which ensures you get the very best. Our experienced staff are waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions that you may have on how we can meet your needs. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to you, as we promise to maintain the highest level of quality and commitment. Your satisfaction is our prime concern. So please don't hesitate to get in contact with us and let us show you all the great options we have.
Here we are removing a new roof replacement. I believe this roof was added about 1 year ago. But look at the problem here. There was already 3 layers of roofing when they installed this new one. So this roof has a total of, wow, look at this, 4 layers. Which should not be that way. They should have taken, look how thick it is. Now what happens is, we're tearing off this new roof, removing all the existing shingles, doing some carpentry work. You can't see here how thick it is. It has 4 layers. Excuse the shakiness. This has 1, 2, 3. It's 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the new one. All right. You can see right there. Yeah, it's not too much weight. It's bad. It's leaking. So we're gonna remove this and put a new one. Besides that, they didn't use the regular ridge tabs. They just used the regular. What they did on the ridge is they put on the architectural roofing, which is the wrong tabs. You see right there? Right there they have the right tabs. Right here they just cut corners and took a piece of the regular Timberland roofing shingles and just nailed it on. Okay. So here we are. If you think you have this problem with your roof,